it's prelims season. Woo! Come on, come on.
Kept it locked, kept it safe, but every time you're next to me, feels like I forget to breathe.
I don't know anymore.
Kept it cool, played it smart. No one knows but
Ano kami din please, may exam kami mamaya.
Ako na magsasabi sa sarili. Ang cellphone mo yan.
more than a thought, more than a crush. It's not just a phase.
Tapos na po ang aming semester.
Can't explain it, but you're on my mind.
After everything.
After everything. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I know I do, but this stays untold. Unless you feel it too. Told myself just let it go, but you're too close and now you know.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 8:17 a.m. and it's a Saturday. And guess what? Meron kaming class for later. And we have a quiz. Dinay ko talagang gumising ng 6 a.m. Pero wala. I just kept snoozing my alarm. I turned on the camera kasi it's prelims season. Woo! Come on, come on. So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako this week for this prelims. Titingin dapat dito. I'm in school na.
Guys, quick check. 3 use na. Short pangalan.
Vlog ako ng prelims week.
Uy, ang uwi mo i-post yun ha?
Papost ko to.
Uy, yung podcast natin. Bangs of the day.
Yes.
Fresh,
Fresh yung
bangs. Pero kaninang umaga, hindi fresh yung bangs kasi.
May baon na pulbo pa tayo?
Ay, wala akong baong pulbo ngayon kasi sandali lang. Guys, pulbo makes everything better. Vlog ni Mer.
I have no comments. Hi guys!
Tingin na live.
Day in the life as a former student.
Former student pala.
Third year.
Saturday edition. Third year edition.
Third year edition.
Ang daming edition naman.
Saturday, third year. Ano ba bala kayo dyan?
Saturday makeup class.
Yes. Today we're going to learn about eyeshadow.
What?
Eyeshadow. Parang ibang class yun.
Ibang makeup pala.
Ano yun? Happy birthday, Madge.
Yan.
Yay! If you're watching this, tapos na birthday mo, but happy birthday. I love you so much.
May birthday greetings sa vlog.
Ito birthday greeting. So, Madge, alam mo, sobrang bad trip na bad. I love you, Madge, so much. Thank you for always matching my freak. Sobrang giving ng ano ko yun na yun. Love you, Madge.
Somebody gonna match my freak. Score prediction.
Sige.
Score prediction.
Alam.
I'm going to score.
Over 20 to, guys.
I'm going to score 20.
Okay. Si Mer.
I'm gonna score 20 with plus 2.
Manifestation! I'm gonna score 13 plus 3.
Oh! 15.
Humble lang ako. I'm gonna score 12.
Gusto ko na ng pasado. Sana pasado kami, guys.
I'm gonna aim high na this kasi times 2 tong quiz na to.
Yeah.
don't know anymore. I'm so tired. I feel like wala na akong natututunan. Like, I need a snack. I'm gonna study now for my quiz mechanism. So, I'm just gonna read this PowerPoint kasi I studied the quiz. I studied the book na. So, ito naman kasi nga i-quiz siya. I don't know, guys. I feel so tired. I feel like overcrowded na yung utak ko na ang dami ko pang kailangan aralin. It's 6 p.m. It's 6 p.m. And I have an exam tomorrow. I don't know how will I survive. And I also have quiz. Should grab a snack. The snack I got is banana.
What the dog doing?
Hi guys! Ako na naman nasa vlog ni Mariel Manalo. Ano kami dinispace? May exam kami mamaya.
Yes!
Parang 15 minutes.
Exam.
How many hours?
This is us before ilang hours ng exam.
Is us. Yeah.
Grabe guys, parang sinisira ng mechanism of toxicity ang buhay ko. Sabi yung MOT guys, parang ikakamatay ko siya. Parang sisirain ko lahat ng pangarap ko.
There's also oxidative stress, DNA damage, mitochondrial dysfunction. Yes, dalawa. What else? Lipid peroxidase, ay peroxidation, enzyme pala yun.
OT.
Yes, akala kasi hindi nakaka-threaten yung flight.
36 lang.
Hala! Tuluan ako ng ipot.
What happened?
Sa cellphone na ako. Ako na magsasabi sa sarili.
Naka-cellphone mo yan.
Cellphone ko to.
So hello guys, I just got home from duty and ngayon naglalaba ako. Gonna eat breakfast. It's already Wednesday and I have a lot of things to do, so
Tapos na po ang aming semester. Guys, pare-touch muna ha. Guys, sobrang na-depress talaga. Naiyak na nga ako guys eh. Pero syempre, laban pa rin sa buhay. Sino?
Si Frenzel.
Find a friend like Dunay. Naiiyak tuloy ako. Kasi guys, frustrate talaga ako nung bago ako mag-Gcash ko. Alam mo sa tabi ni Dunay, nakaganda ko.
Tapos ako okay lang ganti. Kasi
Tapos si Dunay, ginaganda ko ni Dunay. Ginaganda ko ni Dunay. Guys, grabe yung araw ko.
Find a friend.
Hey guys, retouch with us. Retouch ng mga leader sa Pharma Days. Guys, alam din parang vlog ko na to, te. Guys, comment down below. Mag-vlog na ako. Anyway, sobrang na-depress kasi ako kaninang umaga. Kaya kumain ako ng sobrang daming chocolate. Ayan, nagzo-zoomies ako ngayon. Pero kanina, nung report, kung kailangan na salita ko ng salita, namamaos ako. Pero pag nakipag-chismisan, yung bibig ko.
Naalala naman si Francel.
Ito yung naalala ni Prenzel, guys. Sama.
ayan na, may groupings na.
Sino ka
Kagrupo.
Saan ang aking kagrupo?
Wala
akong kagrupo. Si Elay ang aking kagrupo.
Uy, please naman, kahit isa lang, dalawa-dalawa yung iba, oh. Ito. Si Dominic.
Dami pa naman yung excited sa Pharma Days. Tsaka
Sobrang busy ng mga tao.
Hanggang saan ba daw?
Ako mag-joy, free pa naman ako.
Sino man po ang gumawa nun? May galit po ba kayo sa akin? Nananawagan ako.
Yes, please. Oh.
Yan, ipopost yan ni Mar sa Facebook, tapos makikita ng karamihan.
Bakit? Tinatanong ko lang naman. Ayoko po kasi mag-leader. Mukha po ba nasa itsura ko nag-lead?
Yan, ang aming state.
after everything.
After everything,
Okay, let's go.
cosmetic.
Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna study for my exam later. For this prelims, I've decided na I'll be sleeping around 10:30 max. Gigising ako around 3 para mas fresh lang yung mind para makapag-absorb. Ayun, tinry ko yung technique ko from before na maaga laging gigising. Kasi before parang ang ginagawa ko din is natutulog na ako ng by 10. Meron pa akong last 2 PDF na hindi ko pa nababasa. So, yun yung aaralin ko ngayon for the next 1.5 hour. Kasi, around 4:30, nagre-ready na ako to school. So, let's go. I'm in school. I'm just waiting. Oh, bakit 5:89? Last day, Friday.
No, bukas
pa. Ah.
Mag-vlog ka din bukas, pumunta ka din.
Hi everyone. So I just got home. It's already 10:48. Just took an exam. Pumasok ako, diba, around 7. Pauwi ako around 9:30, pero pumunta muna ako sa Mother Dear. Nagmerienda lang ako doon. May unti akong inasikaso sa school. For school. And now, around siguro 11, magpapahinga ako ng konti. And then I'm gonna go na sa Lipa. I'm gonna have very first solo date na malayo. Sa Lipa naman. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Kasi, halos, almost, tapos na yung exam. May isa pang next week, pero magpapahinga muna tayo for today. I need to reply to work. So, yun yung gagawin ko muna bago ako malis. Siguro around 11:30 na makakaalis pala. Let's go! So, this is my outfit for today. It's really hot. Bago kong bili na top. And then, itong mini skirt lang. To have this bag. Kasi may dala akong iPad. I'm gonna do... Wak 잡아갔던 시기 전에 김남준, 김석진, 민영미, 정모석, 박지민, 김태영, 전정국, BTS. Before we go, I just wanna update you guys na I was able to purchase an iPad. So I got an iPad. I've done my agenda na. Ito yung agenda ko. Kaya ako nagpunta ng Lipa. I'm gonna go to a cafe. Bumili pa ako ng notebook. This spring notebook. Kasi gusto ko ng magganito. Kasi ubos na yung akin dati. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng ballpen. Para isulat ko lahat ng agendas ko. For this weekend and next week. Kasi it's another month. And syempre, it's another grinding season na ulit. Kasi marami na ulit mga pending. May thesis na ulit kami kailangan asikasuhin. So, yun yung gagawin natin for today. Naghanap ako sa TikTok ng mga coffee shop. And may nakita ako na medyo malapit lang dito. So, we're gonna go there. Dito na ako sa cafe. Have an habang wala pa yung food, let's unbox my iPad. Hi guys, I just got home. Now I'm gonna do first yung gift ko tomorrow kasi may exam sina Erich sa Picol and it's their first exam sa Picol. So I want them to receive a simple gift na appreciating that they did well. Here are my simple gifts. Let's go work now. Guess what? I wasn't able to work. Because it's very overwhelming. Kasi hindi ko ma-grasp pa yung mga materials. Super dami. And ngayon, tina-transfer ko yung mga files from my iPad. From Crystal's iPad to my iPad. So, para lahat na ng files ko, simula bukas, kasi nga, seryoso na ulit ako bukas, is nandito na sa iPad na to. I'm so tired na. Dapat natutulog na ako ng mga 10:30, but gusto ko kasi sagad tapusin ang lahat ng gawain ko ng 11 para magta 12 na. I cannot. Duty pa ako ng umaga. I haven't fixed my things na dadalhin bukas kasi nga maghapon ako sa school.
The screen lights up, your name appears. My heart beats louder, fueled by fears. I type the words, then hit delete. This endless cycle, a bittersweet repeat. How do I say it? How do I start? How do I show you the depths of my heart?